Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you make your dream home a reality. Today we're going to talk about how to increase the value of your home through a bathroom renovation. A bathroom renovation is one of the most popular home renovation projects that homeowners undertake, but not all bathroom renovations are created equal. In this video, we're going to share some tips on how you can get the most out of your bathroom renovation and maximize the value of your investment. Tip #1. Focus on functionality. The first thing to keep in mind is to focus on functionality. Your bathroom should be functional and practical above all else. Think about what changes you can make to the layout to improve functionality. Consider adding more storage space, upgrading your plumbing fixtures, and improving the lighting. Tip #2. Invest in quality materials. When it comes to bathroom renovations, it's important to invest in quality materials. This doesn't mean you have to break the bank, but you should avoid cheap and low-quality materials that can quickly deteriorate over time. Opt for materials that are durable and resistant to wear and tear, such as high-quality tiles, marble, and granite. Tip #3. Add some luxury. Adding a touch of luxury can go a long way in increasing the value of your bathroom renovation. Consider adding a spa-style bathtub, a rainfall shower head, or heated floors. These small touches can make a big impact and create a luxurious atmosphere that buyers will appreciate. Tip #4. Make it energy efficient. Energy efficiency is becoming increasingly important to home buyers. Consider installing energy-efficient fixtures and appliances such as low-flow toilets and shower heads, LED lighting, and a high-efficiency water heater. These upgrades will not only save you money on your utility bills, but they will also appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Tip #5. Stick to a cohesive design. When planning your bathroom renovation, it's important to stick to a cohesive design. Choose a color scheme and style that complements the rest of your home. This will create a consistent and harmonious flow throughout your home and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Conclusion, and that's it. Those are our top tips for increasing the value of your home through a bathroom renovation. Remember to focus on functionality, invest in quality materials, add some luxury, make it energy efficient, and stick to a cohesive design. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful and functional bathroom that will add value to your home for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home renovation tips and tricks.